Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake with whipping cream. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, and 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream. Make sure your cream is chilled for at least 4 hours. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare 2 8-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them. Now let's bake the cake layers. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, then gradually add them to the dry mixture, mixing until just combined. Divide the batter evenly between your 2 prepared 8-inch pans, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Next, we'll prepare the delicious whipping cream frosting. For the best results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Pour 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip on high speed until stiff peaks form, being careful not to overwhip, which can make it grainy. Finally, let's assemble and decorate your beautiful cake. Ensure your cake layers are completely cooled before applying any frosting. Carefully spread a generous layer of whipped cream between the 2 cake layers, then cover the top and sides of the entire cake with the remaining cream. For a smooth finish, use an offset spatula. Remember to check the description for links to products like Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Chill the cake for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the cream to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.